Alright, this is part 2 of the Toolbox Tour installment. We're in our secret hidden layer. We got the heater going, it's a little cold. Got a couple junk engines there. Fucking junk timing. Mazda Speed 6, 3-liter Ford piece of junk engine. Junk timing, as you can see, the timing's just shot. The other side's just fine. This side jump time, kiss the valves. So back to part 2 of the installment Toolbox Tour. Got the creeper on this side, got the little roller seats. Got the vacuum sucker and hard line for fluids or brake fluid if you want to bleed stuff. In the top drawer we got the drawer guards. That was an added feature when I got the box. And here we got all our sockets and specialty sockets and drivers and extensions and whatnot. Metric standard 12-point impacts. Metric deep impacts, had those for over a dozen years. Metric standard impacts, shorties, chrome, 6 points. We got the chrome 6 points, got some 12s in there, shorties, metric, impacts. These are standard chromes also, metric chromes. These are S&Ks back here. These are also standard. Got some more specialty sockets. 1 and 5/16. This is a New Britain. New Britain, that's old school. This one here is a Challenger. It's a Proto branded 32mm. It's miscellaneous sockets. This one's pretty cool too. It's also Proto, 1 and 5/8. We got the chrome standards. Some more miscellaneous sockets. Got the chrome metric, standard deep impact. We got the 28 through 36 axle nut deep impacts. Well, actually they go to, we got 28 through 38 because some of the ones they didn't have. So this is a Matco. This is a Blue Point wheel axle socket, 12-point specialty. Got a bunch of other extensions and adapters, specialty old school Sears, spark plug socket stuff. It's got the 3/4 inch, 19 through 50 inch China branded tools. Got a bunch of old specialty sockets back there. You got the 1/4 inch locking Matco. These are Harbor Freight right there. Those are just extras. Snap-on. These are 3/8 adapted to 1/2 inch drive, 3-piece reducing extensions. We got the 9 through 21 chrome deep. Got a bunch of other specialty 3/8 drive sockets and miscellaneous 1/4 inch drive stuff. We got the spline drive metric and standard Harbor Freight specialty junkers. They work really swell, haven't had no problems with those. Got other bunch of specialty sockets here. Snap-on, Duralast, Matco, Proto, a bunch of oddball stuff. Got the VIM half cut, stubbies, 10 through 50 Torx, VIM, S2. Specialties, 17, 8 through 17, specialty 3/8, 7mm, through 13 millimeter square drives. And we got a 5/16 and a 3/8 square drive. Got the tamper-proof Mac sets. Found these at a Pomona race. They were on sale. These are the tamper-proof triple squares, 4 millimeter, all the way to 16 millimeter. Never had a problem. Great tool, great buy. I think I got those for $40. SP Tools, Honda and Acura fuel filter banjo bolt socket only. For all you Honda and Acura freaks. Matco Tools, extra deep, 7 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 11 millimeter, extra deep. Okay, the shank is not deep, but the tube is, so you can get those long recessed bolts. Degree wheel, El Cheapo, works really good, still using it. Got the snap-on, 3/8, 10 through 15 specialty drivers. Snap-on deep, snap-on universal 1/4 inch, snap-on semis, snap-on shorties, chrome, 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 go through adapter, Matco lock-in, all my ratchets, all 1/4 inch drive on this side. Got the CP Central Pneumatic Universals. Those are a wonderful tool. These work really swell for all applications. We got 1/4 inch through 9/16. All my old specialty 1/4 inch drive sockets. Standard, metric. Got my old school Craftsman's. These are cool. These are spark plug installer and removers. These are Thexton branded. Stretch belt tools, Euro and low profile stretch belt tool. They got the standard semi deep snap-ons. You got the shorty chrome snap-ons, 1/4 inch drive. Got a whole bunch of my extensions over here. Got the thumb wheels, half, 3/8, 1/4 inch. Got a bunch of other specialty extensions over here. Got the drain plug branded OTC tool. These are all specialty drivers, lockers, bit drivers, 1/4 inch to 3/8. Swivel universal, 3/8 to 1/2 inch swivel universal. Bunch of specialty drivers here, Volkswagen, Audi. Those are specialty drivers. You got 17 mil, 14 mil, and you got 12 mil. Hex drivers, T70, T55, and this is a big one here. This is a Stahl Wheel branded 19 millimeter hex. Over here we got the Astro branded ratchets, one-way gearless mini ratchets. Had those for years. Even arced that one out. Oh, no, that one's clean. Thought we arced it out on a battery, but we didn't. Good tools. Matco 1/4 inch drive, snap-on, swivel head with the 3/8 driver. Matco 88. long 1/4" drive, snap-on, swivel head, snap-on 1/4" drive, snap-on quick release, flex head, Matco quick release 1/4", snap-on 1/4" breaker. You got more specialties, 1/4" torque wrench, Pittsburgh Deep, 3/8 standard impact, snap-on palm ratchet, fingernail brush. You got Blue Point, impact, thin wall, standard flips, and metric flip sockets there. Got the Pittsburgh Universal Standard impact swivels, chromies, 7 to 22 12 points. This here's a 1/4" to 5/16 chromies, 12 points. These are standard 5/16 to 3/4 impact Pittsburgh. This one is the Lyle Matco branded tools HBS 19 harmonic balancer heavy weighted socket. Works good. That's the big drawer for the top. Everybody calls it the money drawer or whatever. Still got a lot more sockets, just not in this drawer because, as you can see, we need more room, and we're going to get some more room one day. So in the next drawer down, we got all the wrenches. Got the snap-on offsets. These is 10 through 19, snap-on crow's foot. Got the Taiwanese old school ratcheted wrenches. Got a bunch of miscellaneous standard wrenches back here. Got the old school offset ratcheted wrenches, old school box ratcheted wrenches, standard and metric. Got a bunch of miscellaneous specialty wrenches and broken pieces that I've used over the years. Got the Matco branded offset box wrenches, bunch of miscellaneous wrenches, bunch more specialty tools. These are the Husky branded line wrenches. Those work really well. I'd almost compare those to Snap-on. Pittsburgh 10 through 19 minis, bunch of miscellaneous sockets, bunch of offsets, bunch of specialty stuff that I've made for thinning down. Specialty sockets and wrenches. Got the ratcheted wrenches. Got the midget wrenches over here. Craftsman and other assortments. 1/4", 9, 7. These are really small wrenches in there. 5/32 and smaller probably. And bigger. Pouch says 5/32 to 7/16, and I've seen them all in there. Plus, you got the Blue Point 8 through 19 stubby ratchet wrenches. Got the gear wrench. These are must-have. The gear wrench, E-torque ratchet wrench wrenches. You got the 3/8 drive standard crow's foots. Next drawer down, we got more wrenches. Got a bunch of big wrenches, open ends, closed ends. We got the 4-way angle wrenches, more extra long 10. These are 10 through 25 extra long wrenches. These are some more specialty standard 7/16